I hate may double check. So, kailangan natin siyang i-delete. Hello, it's me, Miss Nate, your TikTok makeupperist, now on YouTube. Welcome to my channel. By the way, if you're here from TikTok, don't forget to comment below at magre-reply ako. So today we are gonna be talking about one of the most popular na topic when it comes to makeup. Actually, itong topic na to yung unang-una kong makeup video na nag-viral on TikTok. We are gonna be talking about contouring. So when we talk about contouring, yung professional definition ng contouring is to create shadows on the face para papayatin, para lagyan ng dimension yung face. Magkaiba yung contouring sa bronzing, no? Now, some people, yung mga casual people lang who do makeup, hindi naman professional, they refer to bronzing as contouring. Yun po ang isa sa mga misconception when it comes to contouring. So magkaiba po ang contouring sa bronzing. Contouring is creating shadows while bronzing is adding warmth to the skin. So that's one of the key differences of contouring and bronzing. Anyway, isa-stop ko na tong pagsasalita ko kasi alam ko naman gusto niya na ng demo and tutorial. If you have your cream contour with you now, mag-foundation na kayo at sabayan nyo ako mag-contour. O nga pala, bago ko makalimutan, if you learned something today or na-enjoy mo yung video, don't forget to hit like, drop a comment, or hit the subscribe button for more content like this. While you're at it, click mo na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify ka whenever I have new uploads. Thank you so much, and let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so we are gonna start with a cream contour. Today, we are using the BLK Multipurpose Stick in Cocoa. Ito yung itsura niya, guys. So, tignan nyo. Very, very cool toned siya. It's not bronzy, it's not orange. It's very, very cool toned. So, this is what we want to achieve yung mga contour, no? Kasi gumagawa tayo ng shadow, and shadows are naturally gray. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a little bit of product on my spatula from the stick para walang contamination. Kukuha tayo mag-scrape tayo ng konting product from the stick para hindi natin ididikit to diretso sa skin. So, kukuha tayo ng konti, tapos lalagay natin yan sa ating trusty steel palette. So, lalagay ko yan dito. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rub it vigorously, gusto niyo yun? Vigorously on the steel palette para mas madali siyang ma-blend later on. Parang this is called warming the product, no? Warming up the product para hindi siya masyadong matigas. Alam mo yun, medyo loose na siya. Alright, so once we have that on our steel palette, I am gonna take this Vice Cosmetics contour brush. Ngayon, pwede daw pang powder to, pero pwede rin pang cream kasi synthetic siya, no? So, that's what we're gonna do. So, we're just gonna take some product on this brush from the steel palette, and then we are gonna start contouring. Cream contour tip, we are gonna start the darkest, as in the most intense color on the outer perimeters of my face. So, ibig sabihin, yung pinakamalapit sa hairline, dyan dapat yung pinaka-intense na color. So, for the cheekbones, syempre ang main areas of cream contouring natin and contouring in general is the forehead, the temple, and then the cheekbones, and then yung jaw. No? So, uumpisahan ko muna yung cheekbones ko. Okay, so when you're contouring your cheekbones, you have to find the center of your ear. So mine is here. So I want the darkest or most intense contour to be here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap on the product from the center of my ear to the corner of my mouth. So ito yung linya ko. Ganon. Gets nyo ba? Yan, nakita nyo ba yan? But I want the darkest, most intense contour to be here sa center ng ear ko. As in, from dark, palight siya ng palight habang papasok to the corner of my mouth. That's where we get a gradient. Later on, we can also do a gradient by blending. Pero ngayon pa lang, application pa lang, mag-gradient na tayo. So what I'm gonna do is tap here, center of my ear, tap the product on, tap, 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 tap lang. Huwag mong guluhin yung foundation na nakalagay sa baba. Tapping lang tayo. And then, papasok tayo towards the corner of my mouth. And nakikita nyo, parang nag-show up yung gray, diba? So, we're gonna add a little bit more product on this brush. Again, we're gonna do the same thing. I want most of the product to be here, nearest my ear. And then, as I go in, paonti na ng paonti yung laman ng brush. And there you have it. You have the most natural looking cool tone contour. So, ito yung walang contour. Tingnan nyo. Tapos, ito yung may contour. Oh, diba? Pak! So, yan. That's how you contour your cheekbone. Remember, always start from the outer part of your face or yung perimeter ng face mo. And then as you go in, nawawala ng product. So yung pinakamaraming product na de-deposit dito. Tapos habang papasok ka, palight na siya ng palight. I think we're gonna do one more round kasi gusto ko pack na pack yung contour ko. But same thing from the outer part of your face, papasok ng papasok. Para pakonti ng pakonti yung product na nalalagay, di ba? Tapos yan, nakagawa na tayo ng gradient, wala masyadong blending. We can do further blending with this sponge later on. Parang pwede natin iganyan para talagang blended siya, di ba? But the main thing to remember is that pinaka-intense na color kailangan nasa labas na part ng face mo. What we're gonna contour now is the jaw and the temples and the forehead, no? So guys, I know you've heard or have watched Kim Kardashian do her contour. Ang ginagawa niya yung number 3. So ibig sabihin from forehead to temple to cheekbone to jaw, magpo-form ka ng 3. So susundin lang natin yun because we love Kim K. Yung gagawin natin is same thing as the one we did sa cheekbone. The darkest color, I want it to be here sa may hairline ko. So, just tapping the product there. Tapping, kasi ngayon marami pang laman yung brush ko kasi bagong dip siya dun sa palette, no? So, marami siyang laman. So, I want it to be on the outside areas of my face. And then, pag wala na siyang masyadong laman, tsaka ako ngayon ipapasok ng very slight. With tapping motions pa rin tayo, guys. Diba? Yan. Applying that. Maganda rin kung ganito yung brush nyo. Very loose, no? Parang hindi masyadong intense agad yung contour. So, yan. You can see, ito yung walang contour. Tapos, ito yung contour. Pak! Diba? Pwede pa nating dagdagan yan ng very, very slight. Dito, no? Importanteng i-contour nyo yung temples. Kasi nakakaliit yan ng face. Diba? Dito. Yan. Next, we are gonna do the jaw. So, when you are contouring your jaw, remember, no? Use a cool tone. Wag ka magbo-bronzer dito sa baba. Kasi hindi naman natatamaan ng araw yan. Remember, yung bronzer, it's used to mimic yung parang tan or sun kiss. Hindi naman nalalagyan ng tan or ng sun itong ilalim ng jaw mo. So, never use a bronzer there. Use a cool tone like this BLK Cosmetics Kinyemmerot in Cocoa. So, kukumpletuhin na natin yung 3. Oh, dito siya, di ba? So, just tap on the jaw talaga. As in, dito ko kung nasan yung jawline ko, as in, dun ko talaga siya nilalagay. Hindi ko siya tinataas masyado kasi masyadong mahahalata. So, dapat dito ka lang. And don't forget to, do your double chin. I hate my double chin. So, kailangan natin siyang i-delete. Kunyari, wala tayong double chin. So, there we have it. Yan na yung 3. Kita nyo ba? Pak! Actually, kulang pa siya ng onti sa jaw eh. By the way, I have a tip for you guys. Kailangan nyo rin contour yung dito sa may likod ng tenga nyo. Especially if you're doing a bride. So, ang tanong, bakit, diba? Bakit kailangan mo lagyan ng contour to? Ang bride, usually, naka-bridal bun yan, diba? So, nakataas. Or if you're doing a ponytail, para sa mga hindi naman bride, kung naka-ponytail ka, kung sumide view ka, makikita na hanggang dito lang yung contour mo. So, dapat paabutin mo siya hanggang dito sa likod ng tenga mo para hindi bitin yung contour, diba? Alright, so I did one side of my face already. Now we're gonna do my nose. Using the same product pa rin, yung BLK, nandito siya sa palette ko. We are gonna apply nose contour. Itong cream contour ko na pang nose. Again, mas lalong importante dito sa nose na huwag kang gagamit ng parang super bronzy kasi mahahalata masyado yung nose contour mo. So, when I do nose contour, ganito yung ginagawa ko. So, tinitignan ko muna kung saan yung pinakamalapad na part ng nose ng tao. Tapos, doon ako magsisimula. Hindi yung gagawin ko siyang line agad na ganyan. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao kailangan ng line na ganun. Kasi ako, tinama, ang liit na nung dito. Kung lalagyan ko ng contour yan, mas dadapa pa lalo itong onting bridge na meron ako. So, magko-contour lang ako kung saan malapad yung nose ko. So, mostly, here siya, nakikita nyo. Using a brush na synthetic din, kumuha ako ng onting product sa palette ko. And then, I'm gonna just lightly contour. Dito lang sa tip. Dito ko nauubusin yung product. Tapos, remember, get your septum, no? Importante yan. Yung ibang tao kasi gusto nila yung septum nila. Ako, ayoko. So, tanungin nyo yung clients nyo kung gusto nila yung septum nila. So, ako pinag-meet ko yan, dalawa yan dito sa dulo. And then, just tapping kung saan malapad. And then, after kong mag-tap, whatever's left on my brush, yun yung itataas natin ng onte, iakyat natin ng onte, as in dito. Yung tira-tira lang sa brush ko. So there, as you can see, medyo pumayat na yung ilong natin, di ba? Pak! Dagdagan pa natin ng very very slight kasi nasa camera tayo, kaya kailangan medyo dagdagan natin. O, di ba? And then, of course, we can always do a little bit of blending with our sponge, just pressing it in para wala masyadong harsh lines. So there you have it, contoured na yung side na to, the number 3, and then yung likod ng tenga, and then my nose. So right now, ang gagawin ko yung kabila, di ba? Tapos, since we're using creams, ibig sabihin wala pa tayong powder, no? So, after kong gawin yung left side of my face with cream contour, magpa-powder ako sa under eyes para hindi mag-cake yung concealer ko. And then, I'm gonna get back to you and we're gonna do powder contour naman. Or rather, mas maganda yata kung bronzing na yung gamitin natin. Alright, so I have just finished powdering my under eyes with some translucent powder. Pero hindi ko pa nilagyan ng powder yung mga area na kinream contour ko because I wanna set that with a little bit of bronzer. So right now, as you can see, very cool-toned nga talaga. Totoong cool-toned yung BLK Cosmetics na multipurpose stick in cocoa, no? Ang ganda niyang pang contour. Pero, since gusto nating magbalik ng onting warmth sa ating face, gagamit tayo ng bronzer. This is Seaside from NARS. And I'm gonna take my powder brush and then just parang set it and go over it, over our contour with this bronzer. Para hindi masyadong gray na gray. Para medyo warm pa rin tayo. So again, I want the most of the color or the intensity and the pigment to be focused dito sa labas. Outside perimeter of my face. Pak! Same philosophy na papasok ng face mo, paonti yung pigment. Alright, the trick is not to put bronzer on your jawline. Kasi nga hindi naman yung naaarawan, diba? We can even put a little bit here. Para cute and sun-kissed. So that's how we're looking right now. So yan. But what we can do is we can take a cool toned powder such as this one. Ito, cool toned powder. Yan yung pwede natin ilagay sa jaw natin. Pak! Tapos, yung nose contour natin, guys, gagamitin natin tong Intuit. Marami may gusto nitong Intuit eh. Ang hirap nga lang buksan. So anyway, itong coronavirus, itong Intuit, itong pinaka-light na shade yan. Parang lalagay ko lang siya sa powder angled brush and then just, like, set our contour here sa nose. Additional dimension na rin siya. This is actually a brow powder, pero ang ganda-ganda niyang pang nose contour. I really love it. Pahak! Oh, di ba? Tapos, one of the tricks that I do, para maging cohesive talaga yung look natin, maglalagay ako ng onting bronzer. Using the same bronzer that I used for my face. Parang medyo i-contour ko na rin yung dadagdagan ko yung eyeshadow ko, pero bronzer tong ginagamit ko. Para mas magkaroon ng dimension. Kasi kanina, as I said, parang base lang tong eyeshadow na. So, dagdagan natin yan. So, technically, parang kino-contour na rin natin yung yung mata. So there we have it, guys. We are cream contoured and powder contoured. By the way, yung cream contour and powder contour, pwede niyong pagpalit-palitin yan, no? Kung naturalan lang naman yung gusto mo, you can just do a cream contour na very, very light lang. Pero kung gusto mo namang maging matte yung face mo, mas parang magli-lean on ka sa powder contour. Meron ding mga powder contour na cool toned in case na ayaw nyong gumagamit ng cream kung oily na yung skin type nyo. So anyway, yan. I hope you learn from these techniques. I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll be back. Alright, so we are back with the full complete makeup look. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this contouring tutorial. I hope na may natutunan kayo at nag-enjoy kayo. If ever you do follow this tutorial tapos gawin nyo yung look na to or something, don't forget to tag me and I will make sure to follow back or reply. And again, if you liked or enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, drop me a comment, or subscribe to my channel. While you're at it, don't forget to hit the notification button para malaman nyo pag may bago akong mga upload. Thank you so much for watching!